What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Chrysler 200 remote key fob. This Chrysler 200 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we grab our flathead screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of it, this notch here is where that key slid out of, and then just below that we see there's another notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch as far as it will go like that, and then just twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart. And we can pull it the rest of the way apart with the hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And in this plastic battery holder, there's a little bit of a cutout right here that will allow you to get a screwdriver under there and get that old battery out. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side down, like that. Go ahead and snap that down into the battery holder. And then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.